everybody, CryptoStrang here. This one we'll talk about Hedera HBAR. And also I've got a sponsor part of the video with Cryptonomy. We'll go through that in a minute. So I haven't spoke about Hedera for quite some time. Okay, I've mentioned this before, I like the project, but I've really bought a massive bag lately, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity. Look at the price. Look at the screen now. We're just over 6 pence. Previous bull market, we had over 45 pence, but they're making massive strides. You can see we're just outside the top 30. We have a markup over 2 billion. See on the screen, volume last 24 hours, 34.5 million. Circulating supply is over 71%. What a wonderful opportunity we've got here with HBAR as we enter this bull market again. It used to be basically my 19th, 20th biggest holding, but I bought such a big bag lately. It's actually now my number 15th holding, and I will accumulate some more. I've gone a sort of different way, different thing. I've been looking at a lot of exciting new projects, but I thought for this next bull market, while we've still got this opportunity with these low prices, in my opinion, that I'd actually get myself some more established layer ones, some blue chip coins, as I call them now. HBAR sort of never done many dedicated videos. I've mentioned it before, but I think it's a wonderful project with a wonderful technology, and I think it's got huge potential. Okay, so the fact I say such a huge market over 2 billion is fantastic as you go through the future in this bull market coming. So go on their website, hedera.com. A lot of information, wonderful site with so much information. I won't go for all of it, obviously, because the video would need to be an hour long. But you can scroll from the top. Look at the network, okay, the token service, consensus service, the smart contract. Obviously, it's layer one. Got everything you ever need, okay, from any project wants to build on Hedera, all the information's here. So you can see on the devs, they get started, the basic documentation, integrations, okay, and they've got what I always love with any project is when they basically give you the grants and accelerators for your project. They give an exciting new project a head start. They give them the funds, they give them everything they need, all the tools to actually start their project. I like that with any project, so it's great to see when Hedera do that. The ecosystem, again, many parts to it. We'll scroll through the side in a minute, but you can see the Web3 applications, the wallets, the custodians, developer tooling, which is obviously fantastic, the partner program. I love to see any project with the partners and the big investors, which Hedera certainly has got. Enterprise applications, network explorers, grant accelerators, and the Hedera Council themselves. Big, massive team. Real world asset tokenization. Now, this has been the buzz around crypto literally this year, isn't it? The RWA tokens. And I've certainly been looking at a lot lately. Okay. Now, the fact they're embracing this, again, I think is absolutely fantastic. Okay. Now, when you actually go through the actual use cases for the HBAR coin, you can see it. Data integrity and AI. Again, massive buzz over the last sort of year, and AI data. Real world asset tokenization, I say, is the real buzz last this year. Decentralized identity, DeFi, payments, sustainability, consumer engagement, loyalty, NFTs. It's got everything you need with any sort of layer one smart contract platform within their ecosystem. They've literally covered everything. Okay, and that's what I really do like about it. So you can scroll through their site. Again, you can see here, they scroll through, you can see the mainnet accounts created, approaching basically 6 million. Transactions last 24 hours, approaching 19 million. 3 seconds, consensus finality. Average cost per transaction is absolutely minimal. That's what you want with any layer one, any smart contract platform. Okay, such a low transaction. We think of the horrendous Ethereum fees. Okay, now also go through here. Now, this is the bit I really do like. The Hedera Governing Council is a fully decentralized and transparent governing body of independent global organizations. Look at his governing council, massive companies, you know, Boeing, Chainlink Labs, Dell Technologies, Google, Hitachi, IBM, LG. It is absolutely huge, okay? Now, the fact that these ecosystems are built on with this community is absolutely huge, with all these huge corporations. It's absolutely massive how many people are embracing HBAR. Again, I think it's a wonderful opportunity. We think of the price at the moment, where this could go. Okay, now, use case and ecosystem, again, the real world asset tokenization, if they could be the leader within that, I think it could be absolutely huge. There's so many tokens out there now, real sort of low caps, but you want the figurehead, the layer one, the smart contract, which is real world assets, the layer one. So I think that'd be absolutely huge. Consumer engagement, loyalty, sustainability. Okay, wonderful opportunity here, and something you really need to keep your eye on if you don't own any HBAR. It's never financial advice, always state that, but just keep it on your radar. Okay, really good. Now, this part, as I say, when we talk about the use cases, I just love the Hedera ecosystem as a whole. The fact that it's got these developer tools and network explorers and everything else with it. Okay, and obviously the payment system, the DeFi, NFT. It's basically a one-stop shop, Hedera. I've never spoken to the team. I'd love to get one of the guys on channels. I follow their CEO on Twitter, and he's very active on there, and it's great to see. Again, it goes into more details here, what exactly it is. What is Hedera? Decentralized, open source, proof of stake, public ledger, utilizes leadless, astronomers bicentennial fault tolerance. BFT was like a hashgraph consensus algorithm. Okay, and that's very true. It's governed by the collusion-resistant decentralized council of leading enterprises. So again, it's always fantastic when you see a project with such a strong base. It's been around quite a few years now, HBAR, and I think it's going to do wonders for this upcoming bull market. Again, you talk about the ecosystem was obviously the main part of it. And again, the Web3 ecosystem applications, you can see a lot of companies already embracing that. And it's great to see when a company believes in it, because as I said, there's so much competition now with layer ones. We think of any Web3 applications, the devs, the DeFi, there's just hundreds and hundreds. And in fact, when a project selects a certain one, you know that's got huge potential. Enterprise applications, again, you can see they put them on the screen. You have to scroll across to see all the others. So again, I just like the fact that LG here, you know, I've got an LG TV, and in fact, LG is such a huge company. It's great to see when HBAR have actually partnered with LG. Again, it's absolutely huge when you get this news, okay? You just scroll across about all the different projects and partnerships, investments they're getting. It truly is. Now, also, I love to always talk about the teams. You can see on HBAR, massive team, board of directors. You can see here, committee leadership. Okay, I love the fact they embrace the community as well. I think that's really good. Embraces everyone. They get the honest opinion, the AMAs, etc., and people can see where the project's going. Okay, and you got there the Treasury Management and Coin Economics Committee. Obviously, you need the Treasury to keep progressing, pay people, you know, pay for products, keep embracing HBAR and take it to the next level. Government Affairs Committee and Marketing Committee. So again, it's really good. Meet the leadership team. You can see there, huge team. Again, many people working for this thing. But again, a lot of projects there. You can see the future's looking for you. They're always looking to take on more people, which is great. When you're in a bear market, when a project is actually still taking on people, I think that's wonderful. It shows the Treasury is strong. Okay, so that's just introduction about Hedera. I think it's absolutely wonderful. Now, we're going to go on here. This is a sponsored part of the video, completely honest and transparent. Do your own research. It's not financial advice. Wonderful opportunity with Cryptonomy. They've got a lot of plans and future things. The team have contacted me. Spoke at length for their future plans, talking about credit cards, and they really are going to take it. They've got offices in London, Singapore, and also they're going to more of the team going to Dubai. Invest in the new digital assets economy. Cryptonomy backs the early stage crypto projects, building the Web3 and decentralized infrastructure. Discover why hundreds of thousands have chosen Cryptonomy to grow their investment portfolio. This is like a one-stop shop for investment, okay? From initial crypto purchase to participating in venture activities. You see 480,000 plus users worldwide, 200 plus available jurisdictions, 41 million paid out in interest. They've got 350 plus assets, fully regulated, 5 years on the market, complete security, high quality support, which you always want. You want that customer support if you've got any queries. Again, wonderful reviews on Trustpilot. Something I always use Trustpilot when I'm reviewing anything in general life. Trustpilot is a real honest project. You see some genuine reviews. Okay, so it's great to see 4.73 out of 5 is fantastic. Now, their vision. We support forward-thinking entrepreneurs propelling the crypto Web3 ecosystem forward, wholeheartedly supporting Cryptonomy's mission to empower global economic freedom. Okay, their portfolio basically spans countless ventures, encompassing Layer 1 protocols, Web3 infrastructure, centralized on ramps. $74 million investment fund, $10 billion plus process in the last 5 years, 100 plus projects supported. Okay, and you can see this is their key focus areas. Web3, DeFi innovation, Metaverse and GameFi, NFTs, payments and trading, compliance solutions. So again, they're covering everything within their ecosystem. Where again, you want to see with any project. Not just doing one thing, they're embracing many different parts. Your investments, your freedom. This is basically their launch pool, which I think is going to be actually huge. You get the higher rates, participate in private events, incubation projects, top tier sales, and exclusive private allocations. Get funds instantly, keep your crypto. Borrow without selling your crypto with rates as low as 0.1% and no extra fees. Earn up to 180% APY on your assets. We talk many times about new projects, they give these huge APYs, but also established projects, they're giving great APY. Okay, earn on your terms, keep your assets safe. That's obviously extremely important. All staking deposits are protected by insurance and secured by deposit from the Cryptonomy Foundation. Okay, and it goes there. We see what you can earn from the launch pool to staking. Okay, now when I go through, you can see on here, this is basically the wallet, my account here. You can see the balance. Now go through, and this is the interest account. Okay, I'll just show you the wallet. Obviously, there's many different parts to this site. They've got the different many established layer ones, projects been around many years, new exciting projects, and you can see there, so you just scroll through different parts. So we talk about HBAR. Obviously you can see I've already got some HBAR on here. Basically, if you want to deposit, they make it very easy. I say the dashboard is very easy laid out. I think this is fantastic for established people, also new people just getting started with crypto. It's easy to use. Now they've got the HBAR deposit, you can see it there, very easy. They've just got the loans part of it on here. Borrow stable coins, borrow fiat, borrow crypto. You can see the PA there, and they've also got the exchange. Very easy to use exchange. But I want to go back to the interest account. Okay, now you can see here. Say you got a lot here. You can see the rewards that you get. I say this project been around many years. Some great APRs. You see Cardano there. Obviously, Matic is one there I've already started doing. But Hedera, okay, it's a project I'm really sort of focused on at the moment. So basically, as you can see a deposit. It's very, very easy. This you can see there with my HBAR got available balance. Minimum deposit is just 1,287 HBAR. Okay, so I'm going to put the max in 29,041. The fixed interest rate is 51.67% more than the flexible interest rate. So the API, see it there. Distribution API is 34. Your deposit APR, Cryptonomy fee. So basically work together to get these great APRs together. So you hit continue. Deposit confirmation. You successfully deposit funds into your flexible interest account. So that will give you free, basically HBAR. Now always state, wonderful opportunity, especially in a bear market, to make your crypto work for you. I've always stated that as we're going through up to a bull market, but in a bear market, your crypto is pretty much stagnant. So it's really important to make your crypto work for you. Okay. Now, okay, join Cryptonomy. I do have a referral link below. It does support the channel. I do genuinely appreciate everyone does support it and joins using my link. It's up to you. Do your own research. Okay. Always state with anything with crypto, you must do your own research before you do it. It's never financial advice. Okay. Now, with Cryptonomy, hopefully get some great rewards. And time will tell how this project develops, and they keep developing. That's what I say. With the upcoming bull market, I'm going to say we're all hoping for those great profits, but also want the crypto currently to keep growing and building. Okay, it's a wonderful opportunity. Also follow them on Twitter. You can see there they've got over 13,000 followers. It talks there more in depth about it. And they're very, very active on social media with the latest news, etc. And they really are embracing it and developing. They've got a lot of plans for the future as well. It'll be fascinating to see if they get that credit card out and their future development. Okay. It's wonderful to see. So thanks very much. That was a sponsored part of the video. Now, going back to Hedera, I follow them on different parts of social media. I've just started looking at their Medium page, and they're very active on here with all the latest news. So again, I've never spoken, as I say, to the Hedera team, but I'd love to get them on there. I'd love to talk to them more in depth about their future plans, because in this bear market, who knows where this price will go? We're just 6 pence. I think it's crazy low price, in my opinion. I truly do. But you can just see all the information they're putting out there to basically show everyone, their community, how they're constantly developing. I think it's absolutely wonderful. I truly do. Now, I also saw this, the recent Twitter post of theirs, or X, who's got to keep calling it. Don't forget to RSVP for this Hedera meetup in London. That's actually tomorrow. Okay, you can actually meet up with them, connect with Web3 enthusiasts, network with leaders in the RWA tokenization, and learn more. Okay, and this is probably actually going to be a wonderful meet. You can see there, 6:30 British time, exploring the tokenized economy, on-chain real-world assets. This is a wonderful time. Okay, I'd love to go myself. Unfortunately, I'm too busy, but you have to buy tickets and get there. It would be a fascinating chat to see. In fact, Hedera hold an event in my home capital city. Now, I also saw this on another X-Post, House of Chimera, comparative analysis of monthly average real transaction per seconds across layer ones. Hedera leads in TPS for May with an average of about 1,427 transactions per second. In June, Ton blockchain near protocol and Suri network have been growing significantly as NEA's entered the top 3. Now, I've covered Ton before, obviously when they spoke about being the fastest blockchain out there. Obviously, I've covered NEA many, many times, and also covered Suri on launch. I need to do an update video on that project, but these are the ones all fighting to be the fastest. You know, Ton claim to be the fastest, but they all do that, don't they? Let's be honest. So, as I say, wonderful opportunity. I think Hedera is perfectly poised as it goes through, coming out this bear market into the bull market. Hopefully we'll get started this late this year, and next year will be absolutely fantastic. I truly do believe that. So, wonderful opportunity here. Truly, I'm bullish about this year, really excited, and it's a wonderful opportunity. So, thanks very much. If you want help as usual, email me, info@cryptostrand.com, or my social media links below. Come to us on the Telegram group.